In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bullets in Google Keep. Even though Google Keep doesn't include traditional bullet formatting like you might see in word processors, you still have a few simple ways to get that bulleted look and keep your notes tidy. I'll walk you through 3 practical methods and point out what each one is best for, so you can pick the approach that fits your note-taking style. First, the easiest workaround is to use a checklist, which acts like bullet points. On your computer, open a note in Google Keep and click New List, the checklist icon. Now just start typing your items. Each line becomes its own bullet-like entry, and pressing Enter creates a new one. This method is great because it's interactive. You can tap the box to mark an item as done, quickly reorganize lines, and keep track of progress. If you like the visual clarity of bullets and also want the ability to check things off, this is the closest native feature to true bullets in Keep. If you prefer the appearance of actual bullet symbols, you can manually type them in a regular text note. Open a normal note and type a bullet character before each item, like this. Item 1, Item 2, Item 3. On Windows, you can create the bullet by holding Alt and pressing 7 on the numeric keypad. If that's not convenient, simply copy and paste a single bullet from anywhere and reuse it. Keep in mind, this approach is purely visual. It won't behave like a checklist, and there's no built-in styling or automatic formatting, so you'll add each bullet yourself. Another simple formatting trick is to use dashes or numbers. Type a dash, a space, and your text, like Item 1, then press Enter for the next line. Or make a numbered list by typing 1 Item 1, then 2 Item 2, and so on. This keeps your notes structured without relying on checkboxes, and it's quick to maintain when you just need a clean outline. Before we wrap up, a quick reality check. Google Keep does not include a built-in bullets feature, and it won't automatically style or align bullet lists for you. If you want something that behaves most like bullets inside Keep, use checklists. If you want a specific visual style, manual bullets, dashes, or numbers will do the trick. That's it. Choose the method that matches how you like to write and organize, and your Google Keep notes will look neat, readable, and easy to scan.